minor updates that we've made around the apartment. You can see, why are boys like this? My beauty cabinet, and it hangs on the door.
Find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. We just got back. I ran a couple of errands. We had to go to the post office. I had a package to pick up, and then we went to the farmer's market. We kind of donate our clothes and stuff there regularly. Look how cute my nail is. I still haven't fixed it. And then we went on a little brunch date, and then I popped into the dollar store to check out. Our dollar store is pretty poppin', you guys, and they have a really good like Christmas ornament selection. They range from like $1 to $1.99. So I popped by because I feel like my tree is still a little bit plain and it needs a little bit of pizzazz. I got these little clip-on, very glittery, these really glittery flowers that I'm gonna add to the tree. And then I'm gonna show you guys a little tour of the little updates that why do I keep saying little? Why is everything little? I'm gonna show you guys a tour of all of the minor updates that we've made around the apartment, because I know that, you know, I haven't shown you like the full thing yet. So let me just put these on the tree, and then I'm gonna take you guys around, maybe even make myself a cup of coffee.
So wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you.
Alright, so I added those in. I kind of added a little bit of something. They're just like hidden in there. And then I added the other one over here. Just like a little extra something. I feel like it's missing some fillers. So I'm just gonna keep my eye out for what else we could find. What are you doing over here, dude? Excuse me. Okay.
Sand skin so close to mine. You gotta be such a mystery for me. Blow my mind. I just can't deny. Replay in my mind of you. Things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you.
So good. So now that I have my cup of coffee, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what we've done around the place to kind of spruce it up a little bit. So first things first is my gallery wall. And don't mind the stuff, this all needs to go to storage right here, so ignore this. But this is my gallery wall. I showed you guys how to do that in the previous vlog. I just need to figure out which photos I'm gonna put in here now, which is a whole task in and of itself. for me. So we changed the track lighting in here and made it a little bit warmer, and it's like those Edison bulbs versus before it was the regular, excuse the crunching over here. But before these were just regular hue lights, and now IKEA makes lights that are compatible with like smart home stuff. So Raul was really psyched about those. I personally don't love them because I like bright happy light, and those are a little bit warmer, but he did put under the counter, I should show you guys that actually. Oh, you know what? He's working on that right now, but he added track lights underneath the cabinets so that it illuminates the counter. So while I'm prepping food and stuff, I'm not in the dark. So then I think the biggest change has been in the living room. I painted it. You guys have already gotten a sneak peek, but I painted this room this beautiful, or just the one accent wall. I painted it this really beautiful beta fish color by Benjamin Moore. And this is the first time that I've ever done a really bright color, like a pop color. I usually stick to like whites and beiges and very neutral colors, but I wanted to do something, you know, we wanted to spruce up the apartment. We decided we're gonna stay here for a while and just save money because our rent is pretty decent, and then we can eventually like buy investment property. But I wanted to kind of make it feel different and homey. I think I've mentioned it on here before. I moved into this place. Raul lived here for a couple years before that, and when we moved in together, we decided his space was more suitable for our needs and for Parker, so we ended up staying here. And I wanted to make a couple of changes, but obviously I don't want to invest a ton of money into it because at the end of the day, it's a rental property. This is not our forever home. So I decided that paint and like art and a few things here and there are the easiest way to spruce up an apartment, and so this was a cheap way to transform the place. It was also my first time ever painting in an apartment. I usually hire it out, but I was like, nope, I'm doing it myself. I want to, you know, get crafty, and I really enjoyed it. It's a super peaceful experience, but for someone that's OCD like me, painting a dark color like this is very difficult because it's impossible to get it perfect. There's still some imperfections here and there that kind of drive me crazy, but I'm learning to let go of perfectionism. And so, do you approve, Peanut? Do you approve of the place? This piece of art here I got from Society 6, and it used to be where the gallery wall now is, but I thought it really popped in here, and it's like, it really, again, completely changes up the place. The print that was here before, we're just gonna put it in storage. All right, so then I ignore this. This is like my cable for when I'm working on the couch. I brought my nightstand over from the bedroom out here. We only had one of these nightstands, and I thought it was time to get some grown-up matching nightstands. So we got some from IKEA, but again, this was some, you know, we repurposed furniture that we already had to save money, and I think it works perfectly in here with all of the warm tones. This is the carpet, and we thought, you know, why replace it when it fits in here perfectly, and long term we don't even know what we're gonna want or where we're gonna live. So this was, again, just working with what we had and then making this wall color kind of work with that. And then there's Parker's bed, and then these I got from Target. These are like, what are they called? Kumquats. And I thought this really played up nicely this, you know, this color of the wall, and we can obviously change these seasonally. Here, and this is really giving me anxiety, Raul put these up, as you can see. Why are boys like this? But this is like his smart home stuff that he's most proud of. This is a volume for the TV, a volume control. We got this switch from IKEA. They're doing a lot of stuff, you guys, and it was like 15 bucks. So yeah, but Raul deals with all that because I don't have patience. And then in this corner, all that's changed is this planter. I got it on sale at Target, and I had my eye on the West Elm one, but that's like $150 something, and I was not gonna do that for a planter. I got this one at Target for like $52. Which I thought was a nice compromise, and my plant seems to be enjoying that. These I already had. This one's also Target, same family, and this one is from Marshall's. And then here are my little Christmas gnomes on the windowsill. I think they're so cute. Okay, here nothing has changed. A little Christmas tree guy, also from Target. Literally all of my decor is from Target, and I just got another one in the mail, so I'm gonna do one and one here. You guys have already seen the tree. Perhaps the update that I'm most proud of is the bathroom. I feel like this space really changed for the better. It used to be this like yellow color, just like the rest of the apartment actually. But it just looks so heinous in here and I hated it. And it was just like, I don't know, it wasn't a good paint job. So I painted in here, and this color is, what is it called? Swiss Coffee by Bear. I think I called the Beta Fish one Benjamin Moore, but it's also Bear. Got it at Home Depot, and I painted all the way up to the ceiling in here, which was kind of on accident, but it works fine. And so I painted, okay guys, I painted, you know, all over in here, and I was gonna put a piece of art here, but I'm still undecided because this way it's a little bit crowded. So I just put this up this morning. I think I showed you guys a clip of that. Put up a new towel rod, which again, I'm really happy with. This, all of this is from Target. I have my towels and my West Elm robe. These art pieces, I think Raul got them off of Etsy, and we just didn't have anywhere to put them. He has like 8 prints total, so I decided to put 4 of them in here. I'm still undecided where I'm putting the other ones. And then I got a new shower curtain. This is also from Target. Another thing some people have asked me about is my beauty cabinet, and it hangs on the door, and it's a mess right now. I need to go through it. But this is super, super nifty to have, especially in New York, where you don't really get a lot of cabinet space. Like, this is the only medicine cabinet that we have in here, and you guys know I have a lot of product, so that was essential, and I think we got it off Amazon. If I find it, I'll link it down below. I'm so happy with that. Looks so good. And then I would show you the bedroom, but there, like, not much has really changed in here, and it's kind of a mess right now. Still needs a little bit of love in here. But I did get, I think I already showed you guys the nightstands in the last vlog. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So I did throw together this little arrangement here in the middle of the dining table. And it's just my diptyque candle. I had this dome, I think I got it from CB2. These are ornaments from our mini Christmas tree last year that I was gonna throw them away, and I decided, I think like one fell on here by accident and I kind of loved it. And then this is just from the Christmas tree, like some that they cut off, and I think it makes just such a nice festive little arrangement. I was actually gonna throw some Christmas lights on here, but I think I like it like this. What do you guys think? All right, so that's it for now. I am going to, is this zoomed in? I am going to do some editing. I have to edit the first Vlogmas, and I'm gonna do some more Christmas shopping because I saw that some things went on sale, like further sale than what I bought them for yesterday. I hate when that happens. So I'm gonna drink my coffee and get some work done, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.